Greetings and welcome to the Edison and Ford Winter Estates. Here's the ticket office, and unlike so many places, as soon as you get your tickets, you walk right into the gift shop. They want to make sure they grab you before you get tired from wandering around the estates while you're still in the mood to buy some more stuff.
Then they started with the purple one, and I was allowed
It's funny looking at this. My grandfather, a long time ago in New York City, worked for a place called the Home Run Garage. It was outside of one of the baseball fields. And his claim to fame at that time was being able to perfectly tune one of these Cadillac engines. He was very popular for that among the people with the money to own one of these things. If he was still alive, he'd get such a kick out of this. What you're looking at is a very large DC generator or dynamo. It was a big source of contention between Thomas Edison, Westinghouse, and Tesla whether AC or DC should be the power supplied to homes. Edison was, of course, the DC camp, and the others were for AC, due to the ability to use transformers to change current and voltage, allowing longer distance transmission of power. Today, it's all AC. This is a 3 kilowatt direct current dynamo. In terms of power, this little unit provided about the equivalent of 2 of our circuits in a modern house. 15 amp circuits are just a little more than 1500 watts due to the voltage they operate at. Oh, look at this. We have 3 of the biggies as far as inventions went. The first phonograph. Mary Had a Little Lamb got recorded on it. The first recording ever made by Edison onto tinfoil. Then we have the code tape preparation machine. But the one you're going to get a kick out of in today's world is the Edison electric pen and autographic press. Recognize something about that? Any of you have a tattoo that looks somewhat familiar? This is a stock ticker. Edison developed a better version of the stock ticker. When he sold it, the story goes that after the deal was made, the bankers and people involved said, "You're not that good a businessman, Mr. Edison. We would have paid you more." And he said, "No, you're not that good a businessman, because I would have taken considerably less." The story behind this repeating telegraph, the idea being that a signal could come in, be recorded as punched holes in paper, dots and dashes, and then sent back out from that recording. When he was rewinding the machine, according to an old story, as the needle drug across the holes in the paper, it made a sound almost like speech or music, an unusual pattern, which supposedly gave him the idea for the phonograph. Here you go, the automatic CD changer of its day. Or I guess really the forerunner to the no longer modern jukebox. And here we have the forerunner to every horror movie that ever used a doll. The earliest of the talking dolls with a little phonograph stuck inside her belly. She was a non-commercial success, which was unfortunate. Right idea, bad timing, plus back then they were kind of creepy. What we have here is a couple of Crocodile Dundee light bulbs. You know, that's not a light. This is a light. Yeah, Edison, we noticed you're here. Nice paranormal move. Thanks for letting me get that one on video. I hope you enjoyed the Edison Ford Museum and the Edison Laboratory. I have some nice clips of their homes that I'll put into a future video. And please like and subscribe.